Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you can take to hide comment notifications from showing up on your lock screen in Google Drive. If you find it distracting when comment alerts pop up while your phone is locked, this quick adjustment can help keep your notifications private and tidy. Let's go step by step so you can set it up in just a minute. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all the app notification controls are managed. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a full list of applications installed on your device. Next, scroll through until you spot Google Drive and open it. This is where you'll find all the notification settings specifically tied to the Drive app. Now, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside this menu, you'll notice different notification categories. These categories allow you to fine-tune exactly what kind of alerts you want to allow. Tap on Notification Categories to open up more detailed options. Now, look for the Comments section and tap on it. This is the area that controls how comment notifications from Drive behave on your phone. When you open it up, you'll see an option called Lock Screen. Tap on Lock Screen and then choose Don't Show Notifications. By making this selection, comments will no longer appear on your lock screen, keeping your device clutter-free and maintaining your privacy at the same time. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Google Drive settings so that comment notifications stay hidden when your screen is locked. From now on, your lock screen will stay distraction-free, and you'll still be able to check comment updates once you unlock your phone and open the app. Taking a moment to control how notifications appear can make a big difference in keeping your phone organized and your information more secure. With these quick steps, you've taken control of how Google Drive communicates with you, all while keeping convenience and privacy in balance.